Hi, Chloe. What did you get? What are these presents for?
For me.
Why for you?
Because I love it.
Okay, but what day is it? Why are you getting these?
Because it's my birthday. How about you open this first?
Yeah, why don't you open that one first, Chloe?
You want me to get the ribbon off? Open it up. I love it.
What is it?
Flip-flops and dresses.
No way.
A suit and a hat and shoes. Shoes, yay!
Do you love it?
Yeah.
What next?
A car for me, Dad. Yeah, that's unlocked. Untape it, Lily. I can't untape it. I have to pick it up with it. Here, Chloe. Why don't you read the card first?
What do you got, Chloe?